Ang laman ng kanyang bangko ay 15 or 16,000 pesos lamang.
Nagkamali ako. Pag pinirmahan mo to at lumabas doon, mali yung akusasyon ko, magre-resign ako sa Senado at magwi-withdraw ko bilang kandidato sa pagka-vice presidente.
Anong kapalit, sir?
Hindi.
Sampalin ko siya sa publiko.
Hindi, wala naman.
Ngayon na.
Wala pong ganunan.
Chairman.
I'll give you no. Sampalin ko sa
Mr. Chairman. Session suspended.
Session suspended.
Alam mo ba ako na yung waiver ni Presidente Duterte, matagal niya nang ginawa yon noong 2016 pa. Ang laman ng kanyang bangko ay 15 or 16,000 pesos lamang.
Pagiging mayor ko, pagiging talagang presidente, dinibdib ko yan. Wala akong agenda. Wala akong dinagdag na baski isang poste sa bahay ko. Wala akong bagong kotse. Hindi ako nakatikim ng Mercedes-Benz. Dinibdib ko talaga ang trabaho ko para sa bayan ko.
Mabuti naman tumawag ako sa iyo kasi yung numalingan ni Trillanes gusto kong i-consulta kasi I have to file libel cases against him.
How did you acquire these documents?
Nung campaign po noong 2016, meron pong nag-abot sa aming opisina na ang pangalan po niya ay Joseph De Mesa, in-identify niya. So sinabi niya, meron siya mga dokumento na pwede namin tignan.
Former Senator Trillanes testified that that document was not acquired legally. It was just given to him, and with that, Mr. Chairman, though you might appreciate that bank records, but for me, Mr. Chairman, I am not a lawyer, but with regards to how authentic is the bank documents being presented to us by former Senator Trillanes, we must ask the AMLA.
Alam mo, sa totoo lang, somebody should teach him a lesson in life. Nasanay kasi siya yung magkudita, kung ano-ano.
This is not a coup d'etat. We're not attempting to grab power. We're just trying to express our grievances against this government.
Kalukuhan ang pinapasok niya sa buhay niya.
Okay, Madam Chair, my honorable colleague to my right
Madam Chair,
is much mistaken. May I please, Madam Chair, I have there is no motion yet because I am speaking, Senator Trillanes. You have a premise that is wrong as usual, so I can answer that premise, Madam Chair. Anong forma ang pinagsasabi mo? Ikaw ang hindi pumorma dito. Pare, 12:45 ako nagsimula. Tayong dalawa, kay Pilay, 3 oras tayong dalawa eh. So, wala siya nag-accuse kay Duterte, hindi na bibigyan ng time na magsalita dito. Timekeeper ka na ngayon.
Manira ng ibang tao, sirain yung puri.
Present that made in the court of law.
Ito na. Panayang iwas na. Pero doon sa radio program kita tapang Pero ngayon, nabibilaukan yung katotohanan. Ang hirap lumabas, Sir Ben Tulfo.
I look at you straight in the eye, I'm still not finished.
Well, anyway, ganito yan. So, alam nyo dito, as described, so swak na swak. Kung maga, pasok na pasok ka, bitag. Dito sa bitag. Di ba, Mr. Tulfo? Anyway, pupunta tayo dito sa I Travel Pinas.
Mawalang galang lang po.
Ito yung question ko. You need to answer this. No. No, Mr. Tulfo.
No, I think mawalang galang lang po.
Mr. Chairman, I am the...
Let her finish his questions and then you may answer, please.
Boss, maisasabi
Madam Chair,
niya kung sino
I will-
yung mga
Madam Chair.
tumulong sa kanya.
Yes, Madam Chair, I
Let me
understand
finish,
that.
please.
Madam
I'm the
Chair,
chair
just
here.
a point of order.
I'm the chair here.
Just on a different matter, Madam Chair. He told me here, hindi kita papopormahin. And then he tells me here, nabuboba pangarap mo, you are defending evil, etc. Chair, I can move. Can you make sure he doesn't follow me? I will listen to. I'm not going to be given the chance by the committee. Uwi na ako. Hinintay ako ng asawa ko eh. Oh, yan sa
We are
naman.
giving you
Sabi
the
niya,
chance.
sana, umuwi na ako.
We-
Ano ba mas importante? Lumabas ang totoo? Or is this just a demolition job against Duterte so we don't care? Madam Chair, can you stop?
Just continue.
Can Senator Trillanes stop talking to me? I mean, I don't want to talk to him, but he keeps talking to me.
Senator,
I will put this between us. so
Senator
that he
Sonny,
will-
can you please
Madam Chair.
transfer? So,
Yes, I will
just
transfer, Madam.
avoid further.
I will, Madam Chair. Hindi.
Yes. Lipat
Ganito
na
lang po yan. Ganito lang po
Huwag
yan.
na ho kayo magtabi.
Masyadong mahaba yung mga pasikot-sikot, masyadong madaldal. Kumaga, ano na minsan it's quite annoying and irritating already. Sana he gets to the point.
Right? And I have here the white paper that you've been writing about the Secretary of Foreign Affairs. Well, 17 August 2012. You cannot take the hit. He's a coward. I ask you, whom did you talk to in China?
I don't need to report to the Senate President, Mr. President.
You have a duty
I'm
to
not,
report what you do
obliged.
as a senator to this chamber. And in fact, you have a duty to notify the office of the Senate President when you leave this country to go abroad.
But I do
And
not-
the only time that I have authorized you is one time. I do not know how many times you have been to China. My understanding is you have been to China talking to the Chinese government for 6 times already.
That is the parcel to me. He traveled to China 16 times, and during his last visit, the 16th visit, shortly sir, but 2 days after, we lost this Scarborough Show.
And he gets away with it. Now, it's about time na kailan bigyan siya ng leksyon. Total, ito naman ang kalaban niya, ang totoo eh. Di umano yun, yung kanyang summary puro figures. Ang bangko ang magsabi kung mayroon o wala. Korte yan eh.
Pero wala nga siya, Sir President.
Dapat malaman ng tao na totoo at hindi.
Pero
Lalo na si Inday.
sabi ko nga, fake na fake yun. Kasi unang-unang, hindi mo alam kung anong bangko yun. Tsaka wala naman magbibigay ng bangko ng gano'n. May secrecy eh.
Secrecy law. Pati kung totoo man yun, secrecy law pa rin.
Tsaka nga pala, binanatan kanina ulit ni Castro. Wala ka daw isang salita. Bakit daw? Sinabi mo, sasayang ka ng waiver, tapos kinukontra mo. Kaya binira ko siya. Sabi ko, Noli, ikaw ang pinaka-inutil na vice presidente ng bansa eh. Nagsasalita ka nang di mo alam. Alam mo ba ako na yung waiver ni Presidente Duterte, matagal niya nang ginawa yun. Noong 2016 pa, kinover mo pa kakako ko. Hindi ba nagbigay ka ng waiver? Tanda mo yung waiver? Kaya lang hindi ka ako nirelease kasi joint account. Yung isa, anak niya. Kaya yung bangko, hindi nirelease. Pero sa totoo lang, pinarelease niya pa rin. Ang laman ng kanyang bangko ay 15 or 16,000 pesos lamang.
Pagiging mayor ko, pagiging talagang presidente, dinibdib ko yan. Wala akong agenda. Wala akong dinagdag na baski isang poste sa bahay ko. Wala akong bagong kotse. Hindi ako nakatikim ng Mercedes-Benz. Dinibdib ko talaga ang trabaho ko